Okay, so it's supposedly recording, right? Now, if I just take out this camera, I adjust the focus. Shit. My glass is falling. If I adjust the focus that way, what do we get? Probably can't get much because I can't see very far. Okay. So, yeah. Basically like that. Okay. So that was a turn. That was a turn to the right. Now I'm going to turn it clockwise back. And that's the original focus. Okay. See how that looks. And then we're going to focus it all the way down. In fact, that goes all the way around. I doubt that that's going to really make things much better. I think right here is probably the best point. But let's go around one revolution and see what it looks like. Okay, so I've gone one revolution around. Now, it should be better at focusing up close, as opposed to far away. And as I push it back to its normal position, and then stop recording, which I'll have to push this in first, unfortunately, because it's kind of a race. Okay, and then I press the stop recording button.